Hello kids, we are learning all ice cream flavors. Now let's start. Vanilla, vanilla, chocolate, chocolate, cookies and cream, cookies and cream, mint chocolate chips, mint chocolate chips, strawberry, strawberry, caramel, caramel, coffee, coffee, rocky road, rocky road, mango, mango, peanut butter, peanut butter, coconut, coconut, blackberry, blackberry, chocolate chips, chocolate chips, banana, banana, lemon, lemon, raspberry, raspberry, cherry, cherry, blueberry, blueberry, pistachios, pistachios,